Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing Gboard and immediately enabling it so you can use its features. Open Settings, choose General, then Keyboards, and add Gboard as a new keyboard. This gives the system access. Once done, tap Gboard in the keyboard list and toggle Allow Full Access. This unlocks glide typing, GIF search, and voice input. Make sure to confirm the prompt. Otherwise, predictive suggestions and search functions won't run correctly. You customize Gboard inside its app so it behaves the way you want. Pick a theme, enable glide typing, and add languages. Next, enable voice typing and configure emoji, GIF, and clipboard tools. These choices speed up typing and search. Then make sure you know how to switch. In Messages or Mail, tap the globe icon to cycle keyboards until Gboard appears. Once active, try glide typing and the integrated search to confirm settings work smoothly. You finish by using Gboard's features. Glide across keys for faster words, long press for accents, and tap the G icon to search GIF, emoji, or web results inline. If something fails, make sure Gboard still appears in Settings keyboards and that full access is on. Toggling it off and on often fixes permission glitches. If problems persist after an iOS update, reinstall Gboard and re-enable full access to restore full functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.